Search topreviewzone.com before you decide, or go to the link in the description below for more details. Topreviewzone.com presents Best Air Ratchet Wrenches. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand 170G Review. Equipped with 3/8-inch drive, powerful motor delivers 55 foot-pounds of torque and 170 revolutions per minute of free speed. Heat-treated ratchet head for longer life. Ergonomic grip for ease of use. Ideal for general engine repair, home projects, and light industrial applications. Number 2. Ratchet 805 HT Review. Handy for all operations. Quick and quiet. Ergonomic contoured handle grip. Quite powerful yet well controllable. There is an adjustable exhaust, variable speed trigger to change the speed. Number 3. Dual DWMT 70776L Review. Maximum torque 65 ft-lb helps to break free fasteners. 160 revolutions per minute for high power fastening. Aluminum body design with a closed head. Touch control trigger. Number 4. Ingersoll Rand 109 XPA Review. Efficient, powerful, and durable. One of the safest wrenches. Unparalleled and easy to access area. Ergonomic grip. 1 push speed control. Number 5. Nico 30119B Review. Extremely lightweight and ergonomic. Fastest with the amazingly high RPM. Easy to change the directions between clockwise and counterclockwise. Best for small engine works. Affordable. Number 6. Milwaukee 245720M12 Review. Low profile head. Powerful and durable. Variable speed trigger with locking switch. Extended battery life. High endurance. Auto shutdown on overload. Number 7. Ingersoll Rand 1207 Max D3 Review. Innovative forward reverse collar. Variable speed power regulator. Adjustable exhaust. Nickel-plated housing provides enhanced corrosion resistance. Feather touch trigger combined to offer unprecedented control. Number 8. Ingersoll Rand 107 XPA Reviews. Metal plastic. Imported. 54 ft-lb maximum torque. 360-degree adjustable exhaust directs air away from the operator and the work. Variable speed lever style throttle. Number 9. Ratchet Air Ratchet Review. Strongest 1/4-inch ratchet in its class. Single palm mechanism. Patented quiet technology 85 decibels. Superior internal mechanics. Patented durable ergonomically designed red handle. Number 10. Ingersoll Rand 2317G Review. Pretty fast air impact. Adjustable torque setting. Powerful and reliable. Reduced chance of stripping a nut or bolt. Rugged and compact. Rugged and compact. Able to provide professional service. topreviewzone.com. Please check the description below this video to have this special link and subscribe our YouTube channel.